Big zeros. So for today, I will teach you about the numeracy and letter C. What is the purpose of this? For you to know about the numbers, the specific numbers, and also the letters. So first, I will assist you for you to know it. So first, numeracy. So this instructional material is called numeracy tactile. So first, for number 1, here. That is number 1. For shape, what is this number? Number 1. What is this number? 1. Number 1. So next is number 2. So here. So for number 2, we have 2 squares. So here is the square. The sides, square has 4 sides. The circle, the number 1 has 1 round. So next is number 3. Here. That is number 3. Number 3. Yes. And for number 3, we have 3 shapes. We have 3 shapes. Triangle. This is number 3. And last, number 4. This is number 4. And for number 4, we have 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, what is this? Number 1. Here. That is circle. What is this? Number 2. Also has next is, what is this number? Number 3. Number 3 has 3 shapes. Next, what is this? Number 4. Number 4 has 4 rectangle shapes. So, did you learn about it? You know now what is 1, 2, 3, and 4? We will fasten your vocabulary in letters. So I will give you one top 5. Or you will choose your top 5. So this top 5, so feel great. That is letter C. What is this letter? C. Letter C. So how many? What is letter C? So put it down. Here, the second side we choose is the braille. This is letter B. Is letter B. So again, the first letter you choose is, what is this letter? Letter C. The next one, what letter? Letter B. Very good.